practice English speaking.
What's the first thing you do every morning?
Before coffee or after coffee?
Be honest, Jake.
Okay, I check my phone.
And just like that, today's episode begins. Soft intro. Welcome.
Welcome to Practice English Speaking.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake.
Today we're talking about something very simple.
Something you already know.
Your daily routine.
But we'll say it in English.
Slowly.
Clearly.
And with easy sentences.
Direct into the topic.
Today's topic is describe your daily routine in English.
This is perfect for beginners.
And for anyone who wants to speak more confidently.
Because daily routine words are used every day.
At work.
At school.
And in real conversations.
Morning routine.
A very good place to start. Jake, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Great sentence. Wake up means you stop sleeping.
So you can say, I wake up at 6 a.m. or I wake up at 8 a.m.
Listeners, repeat after Jake.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
Simple and perfect. Brush my teeth is a daily routine verb.
You can also say, I wash my face.
Or I take a shower.
When I'm late, I don't take a long shower.
That's very real life.
I take a quick shower.
Quick means fast.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and toast.
Good example.
You can say, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Or, I don't eat breakfast.
Both are correct. Listeners, pause the podcast for a moment.
Ask yourself.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Say it out loud.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work.
Very common sentence. Go to work means you leave home to work.
Students can say, I go to school.
Or, I study at home.
How do you go to work, Anna?
I go by bus.
Nice.
You can say, I go by bus. I go by car. I walk.
Simple words.
Very useful words.
At work, I check my emails.
Good sentence. Check means look at.
I also have meetings.
I teach classes.
Different jobs, same routine style.
Let's move to lunch.
My favorite part of the day.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Perfect sentence. I eat lunch at... Very easy pattern.
I usually eat rice and chicken.
Usually means most days. After lunch, what happens?
I go back to work.
Sometimes I feel tired. Tired means you need rest.
In the afternoon, I drink coffee.
That's very common.
Coffee helps me focus.
Focus means think clearly. Now let's talk about the evening.
After work, I go home.
Simple and useful. Go home means return to your house.
At home, I relax.
I cook dinner.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Another perfect daily routine sentence.
I eat with my family.
That sounds nice.
After dinner, what do you do?
I watch TV.
I read a book.
Some people use their phone.
All correct. Notice something important.
We use simple present tense.
I wake up. I eat. I go.
Because it's daily routine.
Now, nighttime.
I brush my teeth again.
Very healthy.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Go to bed means you sleep. Listeners, let's practice together.
Say one sentence.
I wake up at...
Say it.
Good job.
Here's a full example.
Listen carefully.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I go home. I eat dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Simple.
Clear.
And very useful. You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are powerful.
Speak every day.
Make mistakes.
That's how you learn.
Daily routine is a common topic.
In exams,
In interviews,
and in real life. Let's summarize today.
We talked about daily routine,
Morning,
afternoon,
evening.
and night.
Action step number 1.
Write your daily routine.
Action step number 2.
Read it out loud.
Action step number 3.
Practice every day.
Thank you for listening.
You're always welcome here.
This is Practice English Speaking.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and we'll see you next time.